Hello everyone, this is Siddhi and you are watching Siddhi's Kitchen YouTube channel. So today I am preparing khatkate. Khatkate is a Goan most popular pure veg recipe. This recipe is mostly prepared during festivals. It is very nutritious. Today I am going to show you the traditional way of making khatkate. Traditionally, there are many vegetables used in this recipe, but today I am preparing this recipe with the vegetables available to me. So let's move on to the ingredients. I have taken around 1.5 freshly grated coconut, 4 green chilies, and 1 ball of tamarind, around 300 grams of white peas which I have soaked overnight. In veggies, I have taken 2 medium-sized carrots, 2 medium-sized potatoes, and 1 big-sized beetroot, around 200 grams of cauliflower, around 500 grams of pumpkin. I have taken 500 grams of yam and 500 grams of colocasia roots. As these vegetables are itchy, I have soaked them in kokum water. All vegetables need to be cut into big pieces. At this recipe go through a long process of cooking and small pieces might get dissolved while cooking. We also need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, some tefla or trifala, and around 2 teaspoon of jaggery, and also salt as per taste. So let's grind the required ingredients to paste: green chilies, grated coconut, and a ball of tamarind, add some turmeric powder, put some water and grind to a paste. Paste should not be too fine. The paste is now ready. Keep the paste aside and let's move to the other procedure. Cook white peas up to 1 or 2 whistles in the cooker. Before adding it to the cooker, you need to wash the white peas. Also add some vegetables: potato, carrot and beetroot along with the white peas for cooking. Put some water. Let it cook for around 2 whistles. Now transfer the ground paste to the cooking vessel and add some water to make the perfect consistency. The gravy batter should not be too thick or runny. Add some more water if needed and check the consistency. I have taken this brass vessel to give my recipe that exact traditional taste. Now add the boiled vegetable to the mixture, stir well and keep it on a stove for cooking around 10 minutes. The remaining vegetables has to be added later. After cooking around 10 minutes, add the remaining vegetables, that is yam, colocasia roots, flour and pumpkin. I am adding these vegetables at this stage because these vegetables cook very fast. So they have to be added later only. After adding the remaining vegetables, mix them well. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, tefla or trifala, and jaggery. Mixed well. Also add salt to taste. Mix well and cook it around 10 minutes more. And our Goan traditional khatkate is ready. You can garnish it with coriander leaves. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.